I'm giving you 5 AI businesses that make $1,000 a day. Want $1,000 a day with 0 employees? Watch these 5 AI businesses you can start fast. I'm not talking about some vague futuristic idea. I'm talking about businesses you can literally start tomorrow with almost no money down. We're going to break down 5 of the craziest, most profitable AI hustles that are printing cash for people right now. And the best part is you don't need a single employee. Quick. 6 minutes 30 seconds. That's all it takes to get the entire blueprint. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you everything. This is the fastest way to build a cash printing machine in 2024. Let's go. First up, we have SaaS plus chatbots. This is one of the easiest ways to start because every local business on the planet needs this. Think about it. Dentists, gyms, real estate agents, they all lose money every single day because they miss calls or can't book appointments after hours. You are going to be the person who solves that problem for them, and they will pay you a fortune for it. You're not just selling a chatbot, you're selling them a system that automatically books appointments and answers customer questions 24/7. It's a money-making machine they can't afford to ignore. The business model here is subscription revenue, which is the holy grail of income. You're not chasing one-time payments, you're building a fortress of recurring cash flow. You find a niche, let's say dental clinics, and you create a specialized appointment booking chatbot for them. Setting this up with modern AI tools takes just a few hours, but you can charge hundreds of dollars for it every single month. Let's do the math to get to $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day is $30,000 a month. If you charge a very reasonable $300 per month for your chatbot service, you only need 100 clients to hit that goal. At $500 a month, you only need 60 clients. At $1,000 a month, you just need 30 clients. The chatbots do the work for your clients, and the subscription payments automatically hit your bank account every single month. It's a beautiful, automated cycle. The automated course selling machine. Next up, let's talk about automated course selling. Forget spending months creating a course. AI does 90% of the work. AI can generate the entire curriculum. AI can write the sales page. AI can create the video scripts. AI can design the ads. This is insane. You can have an idea in the morning and a product ready to sell by evening. The barrier to entry has been completely obliterated. You pick a niche you know something about, or AI can research it for you. Oduster researcho, Facebook ads for beginners, keto meal prep. Use a tool like ChatGPT-4 to outline the course modules and lessons, then turn those lessons into video scripts and use an AI video generator to create the actual course videos with voiceovers. You don't even have to show your face or use your own voice if you don't want to. The real magic is in the sales funnel. You're not just selling one course. Create pricing tiers. Basic course, $47. Pro upsell, $97 with templates and bonuses. Premium done for you package, $297. You use AI to write the ad copy and the emails for this entire funnel. The AI works 24/7 to bring people in and guide them through the buying process automatically. To make $1,000 a day, you could sell about 21 of the basic $47 courses. But with a funnel, it gets easier. 10 sales, 5 take the upsell, and 1 premium. That's $1,252 in a single day. All of this is automated. The ads run, the sales page converts, and the course content is delivered without you lifting a finger after setup. You just have to build the machine once and let it run. This is how you scale your knowledge, or the AI's knowledge, into a hands-off business that prints money around the clock. Chapter 3. The third business is one of my favorites because the demand is absolutely endless. An AI content agency. Every single business needs content. Every creator needs content. Every brand needs content. They need blog posts for their website, scripts for their videos, and social media posts to stay relevant. But creating content is expensive and time-consuming. That's where you come in. You offer content packages, like 10 blog posts a month or 30 social media captions. But here's the secret. You use AI to produce almost all of it instantly. You're not selling hours of your time, you're selling a finished product. A business would normally pay a freelance writer thousands of dollars for what an AI tool can generate for you in minutes for a small subscription fee. Jasper, Copy.ai. You can sell packages like the Startup Blog package for $1,000 a month, which includes 4 high-quality SEO-optimized blog posts. For you, creating these 4 posts might take less than an hour of work, including editing and fact-checking. You don't do custom, one-off projects. You create 3 simple packages: a basic, a standard, and a premium. For example, the basic package could be 15 social media posts for $500 a month. The standard could be that plus 2 blog posts for $1,000 a month. The premium could be everything plus 4 video scripts for $2,000 a month. $1,000 a day is your goal. You could get there with just 10 clients paying you $100 a day. This person started an agency creating YouTube scripts and thumbnails for creators. They have 7 clients right now, which means they are billing over $10,000 a month for work that takes them maybe 10 to 15 hours a week. You are leveraging AI to do the work of a whole team. Chapter 4. Business number 4 is an absolute goldmine right now. Auto video generation services. Short-form video is king. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Businesses are desperate for video content, ads, and organic posts. Traditional video production is slow and costs a fortune. New AI video tools let you create hundreds of high-quality videos in a single day for pennies on the dollar. Turn a simple script into a fully edited video in minutes, or turn a website URL into a dynamic video in minutes. You provide businesses a steady stream of videos for marketing, price per video, or offer a monthly subscription. Offer 30 short-form videos a month, 1 per day, for $1,500. For a business, that's an incredible deal. 10 times cheaper than an agency. Use tools like InVideo AI, Pictory. You can generate those 30 videos in just a few hours. 2 clients at $1,500 a month equals $3,000 a month. That's $100 a day. To reach $1,000 a day, you'd need 20 clients on that package, or sell higher-ticket video ads. Charge $500 per ad, and you'd only need to sell 2 per day. Build a library of templates for real estate, e-commerce, restaurants. Plug client info into templates. AI does the rest. Scale infinitely without hiring anyone. You're running a video production studio from your laptop. AI is your camera crew, your editor, your special effects artist. Chapter 5. Our final business is the AI Customer Support Agency. This is for the person who wants to build a true, hands-off recurring revenue empire. Every online store SaaS company service business struggles with customer support. It's expensive to hire support agents, they can only work so many hours and they make mistakes. You solve this by offering managed AI chatbot setups that handle 80% of customer inquiries automatically 24/7 in any language. You're currently spending $5,000 a month on 2 customer support agents. I can install an AI system that will handle most of your tickets for just $1,000 a month, saving you $4,000 every single month. You're not selling them a product, you're selling them pure ROI. You can charge a setup fee, say $1,000, to build and train the bot on their specific product information and policies. Then, you charge a monthly management fee, $500, $2,000, or a per-seat fee, $500, $2,000, depending on volume. Your work is front-loaded. Once the bot is set up and running smoothly, it requires very minimal maintenance. You might spend an hour or 2 a month checking in and making small tweaks while collecting thousands in fees. So, how do we get to $1,000 a day, or $30,000 a month? Let's say you charge a modest $1,500 per month for your managed support service. You would only need 20 clients to hit your goal, 20 businesses who are now saving thousands of dollars providing better, faster support to their customers, all thanks to you. This is a $2,000 a month retainer for managing a single store's customer support AI. The agency owner spends about 3 hours a month on this client. That's an effective hourly rate of over $600. And there you have it. 5 AI models, 1 goal, $1,000 a day, no employees, chatbot agencies with recurring revenue, automated course selling machines, one-person content factories, instant video generation services, AI support agencies that save businesses a fortune. Each one of these is a legitimate, high-leverage business you can start right now from your laptop. The old rules of business are dead. You no longer need a huge team or a massive investment to build a wildly profitable company. All you need is the right AI tool and the right playbook. The opportunity is right in front of you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one of these models that excites you the most and take the first step today. The hardest part is starting, but once you get your first client or make your first automated sale, the momentum will build faster than you can imagine. If you want the exact playbooks and templates for every business we talked about today, including the tools to use, the client outreach scripts, and the pricing packages, I'm giving it all away. Hit like, subscribe, and check the pinned link for the starter kit. It has everything you need to launch. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you build your own $1,000 a day AI empire. Now go get it.